ISO 39001 Road Traffic Safety Management System Consultancy, Implementation, Training and Certification Support by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Today we are discussing an increasingly important topic for organizations involved in transportation, logistics, fleet management, infrastructure, public transport and road related activities. ISO 39001 Road Traffic Safety Management System. Road traffic safety is not only about following traffic rules, it is about systematically verifying road traffic safety risks, controlling those risks, improving driver and vehicle safety, managing operational conditions, and continuously improving an organization's contribution to reducing serious injuries and fatalities resulting from road traffic incidents. Every day, organizations depend on road transportation to move people, products, raw materials, equipment, and services. But with transportation comes significant risk. Driver behavior, vehicle condition, fatigue, speeding, road conditions, weather, traffic density, journey planning, loading practices, emergency response, and organizational decisions can all influence road traffic safety. This is where ISO 39001 provides a structured management system approach. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide professional support for organizations seeking to establish, implement, maintain, improve, and obtain certification for their ISO 39001 Road Traffic Safety Management System. Our services include consultancy, implementation, training, and certification support. In this video, we will explain what ISO 39001 is, who can benefit from it, its major requirements, implementation methodology, training options, certification process, and how URGS International can support your organization. Now part 1. What is ISO 39001? ISO 39001 is an international standard for road traffic safety management system, commonly referred to as an RTS management system. The purpose of ISO 39001 is to help organizations systematically manage factors that influence road traffic safety. The standard is applicable to organizations that interact with the road traffic system and can influence road traffic safety outcomes. This can include organizations operating vehicle fleets, transportation services, logistics operations, public transportation, construction activities, road infrastructure related operations, delivery services, and many other activities. The objective is not simply to create another set of traffic rules. Instead, ISO 39001 helps an organization develop a management framework through which it can identify road traffic safety risks, understand its role within the road traffic system, establish appropriate safety objectives, implement controls, monitor performance, investigate incidents, take corrective actions, and continually improve road traffic safety performance. An effective road traffic safety management system focuses on preventing serious road traffic incidents and reducing the consequences when incidents occur. The standard encourages organizations to take a proactive approach rather than waiting for accidents to happen. Instead of asking why did the accident happen, an organization should also ask what can we do today to prevent a serious road traffic incident tomorrow. This preventive approach is one of the important principles behind an effective ISO 39001 management system. Now part 2. Why is ISO 39001 important? Why should an organization consider implementing ISO 39001? The answer is simple. Road traffic safety is a shared responsibility. Consider a logistic company operating hundreds of trucks. The organization's road safety performance may depend on driver competency, vehicle maintenance, journey planning, working hours, fatigue management, speed management, loading practices, route selection, communication systems, emergency response, weather conditions, and management commitment. A weakness in any of these areas can increase risks. ISO 39001 provides a systematic framework for managing these factors. For organizations, implementation of ISO 39001 can help improve the consistency of road safety practices and demonstrate a structured commitment to road traffic safety. It can also support better identification and control of road traffic risks, improved awareness among employees and drivers, stronger monitoring of safety performance, and a more systematic approach to incident investigation and corrective action. For fleet operators, road safety can directly influence operational efficiency. Fewer incidents can mean less vehicle downtime, fewer disruptions, reduced losses, and better continuity of operations. For organizations working with customers and major supply chains, demonstrating, demonstrating a structured road traffic safety management approach can also strengthen confidence among clients and stakeholders. Most importantly, ISO 39001 encourages organizations to put safety at the center of their transportation related decision making. Now, part 3, who can implement ISO 39001? Now, let us look at who can benefit from ISO 39001. ISO 39001 can be relevant to a wide range of organizations. For example, transport and logistic companies, fleet management companies, bus and public transportation operators, taxi and passenger transportation organizations, courier and delivery companies, construction companies operating vehicle fleets, mining and industrial organizations with significant transportation activities, oil and gas companies, infrastructure organizations, road operators and related service providers, vehicle rental and fleet service organizations, organizations managing large employee transportation operations, and many other organizations whose activities can influence road traffic safety. Importantly, the organization should determine the scope of its road traffic safety management system based on its activities, responsibilities, risks, and ability to influence road traffic safety. For example, a logistic company may define its scope around transportation and fleet operations. A construction company may include vehicle movement associated with construction projects. A public transportation organization may include passenger transport operations, drivers, vehicles, routes, and related safety controls. The scope should be clearly defined and properly documented. Part 4, understanding the ISO 39001 approach. Let's now understand the major elements of an ISO 39001 management system. Like other modern ISO management system standards, ISO 39001 follows a structured management approach based on organizational context, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and improvement. First, context of the organization. The organization needs to understand its internal and external issues that can affect road traffic safety. This may include traffic conditions, legal requirements, operating environment, vehicle types, driver characteristics, customer requirements, road infrastructure, weather conditions, operational activities, and stakeholder expectations. The organization should also identify relevant interested parties. These may include employees, drivers, customers, regulators, contractors, vehicle manufacturers, road authorities, emergency services, and other stakeholders. And second, leadership. Leadership commitment is critical. Top management needs to demonstrate responsibility for road traffic safety. A successful system cannot depend only on the safety department. Management needs to provide resources, establish responsibilities, communicate safety expectations, and integrate road traffic safety into organizational decision making. The organization should establish an appropriate road traffic safety policy. The policy should reflect the organization's commitment to improving road traffic safety performance. Then third is planning. Planning is one of the most important stages. The organization needs to identify road traffic safety risks and opportunities. It should determine relevant safety objectives and establish plans to achieve them. For example, an organization may establish objectives related to reducing vehicle crashes, reducing speeding violations, reducing driver fatigue incidents, improving seat belt compliance, improving vehicle inspection performance, reducing unsafe driving behavior, improving emergency response, and increasing driver competency. Objectives should be measurable wherever practical. Now, part 5, road traffic safety risk management. One of the key areas of ISO 39001 is understanding the factors that influence road traffic safety. Let's consider some examples. Speed. Excessive or inappropriate speed is a major road safety risk. Organizations can establish speed control policies, driver monitoring, awareness programs, and appropriate operational controls. Driver behavior. Driver behavior can significantly affect road safety. Organizations should address issues such as driving, aggressive driving, unsafe overtaking, mobile phone usage, seat belt compliance, speeding, driving under fatigue, and other unsafe behaviors. Fatigue. Driver fatigue can seriously affect reaction time, concentration, and decision making. Organizations should consider working hours, rest periods, journey duration, shift arrangements, and other relevant factors. Vehicle safety. Vehicles should be maintained in safe operating conditions. Organizations can establish systematic inspection and maintenance programs. This may include brakes, tires, lights, steering systems, safety equipment, vehicle documentation, and other safety critical components. Journey planning. Proper journey planning can reduce unnecessary risks. Organizations can consider route selection, traffic conditions, weather, rest locations, journey duration, emergency arrangements, and communication requirements. Loading and transportation. Improper loading can affect vehicle stability and braking performance. Therefore, organizations should establish appropriate controls for loading, securing, and transportation of materials. Emergency preparedness. Even with preventive controls, incidents can occur. Organizations therefore need appropriate emergency response arrangements. These may include emergency communication, first aid arrangements, incident reporting, emergency contacts, vehicle recovery, coordination with emergency services, and incident investigation. Now part 6, ISO 39001 implementation process. Now let us discuss how an organization can implement ISO 39001. At URGS International, we follow a structured and practical implementation methodology. Step 1, initial assessment. We begin by understanding the organization's existing road traffic safety practices. This includes reviewing current policies, procedures, driver management, fleet management, vehicle maintenance, legal compliance, incident records, training systems, emergency arrangements, and existing safety controls. A gap assessment can then identify areas requiring improvement. Then step 2, define the scope. The organization determines the activities, locations, vehicles, personnel, and operations covered by the road traffic safety management system. Then step 3 is develop the RTS policy. We support the organization in establishing an appropriate road traffic safety policy aligned with its activities and safety objectives. Then step 4, identify risks and opportunities. Road traffic safety risks are identified and evaluated. The organization determines which factors are most significant and where controls are required. Step 5, establish objectives. Clear and measurable road traffic safety objectives are developed. For example, reducing accident frequency, improving driver training, reducing speeding violations, increasing preventive vehicle inspections, improving seat belt compliance, and strengthening emergency response. Step 6, develop procedures and controls. The organization establishes appropriate procedures and operational controls. These may cover driver selection, driver competency, vehicle inspection, vehicle maintenance, journey management, fatigue management, speed management, incident reporting, emergency response, contractor management, and monitoring activities. Step 7, training and awareness. Employees and drivers need to understand their responsibilities. Training can cover ISO 39001 awareness, road traffic safety principles, safe driving practices, risk identification, emergency response, incident reporting, and organizational procedures. Step 8, implementation. The documented system is put into practice. This is where the organization demonstrates that its procedures and controls are actually working. Step 9, internal audit. Internal audits are conducted to determine whether the management system conforms to the organization's requirements and the applicable ISO 39001 requirements. Step 10, management review. Top management reviews the performance of the system. This can include objectives, audit results, incidents, corrective actions, performance indicators, resource requirements, and opportunities for improvement. Step 11, certification support. After the organization is ready, URGS International can support the organization in preparing for the external certification audit. Now part 7, ISO 39001 training. Training is another important component of successful ISO 39001 implementation. At URGS International, we can provide ISO 39001 training programs designed according to organizational requirements. Training can include ISO 39001 awareness training. This program introduces participants to the purpose and principles of the road traffic safety management system. ISO 39001 internal auditor training. This focuses on planning, conducting, reporting and following up internal audits. ISO 39001 implementation training. This helps responsible personnel understand how to establish and implement the management system. Then ISO 39001 lead auditor or auditor oriented training, where applicable, can also be structured according to organizational and professional requirements. Training can be customized for fleet managers, transport managers, HSE professionals, safety officers, quality professionals, internal auditors, management representatives, drivers and supervisors, and other personnel involved in road traffic safety. The objective is not simply to provide theoretical knowledge. The objective is to help participants understand how road traffic safety management principles can be applied within real organizational operations. Now part 8, certification process. Once the ISO 39001 system has been implemented and the organization is ready, certification can be pursued through an appropriate independent certification process. Typically, the organization needs to demonstrate that its management system has been established and effectively implemented. The certification audit generally evaluates whether the organization's system conforms to applicable ISO 39001 requirements. Now, the audit process may include review of documented information, interviews with personnel, examination of operational controls, and evaluation of implementation and effectiveness. If non-conformities are identified, the organization may need to implement corrective actions within the applicable certification process. Once the certification requirements are successfully fulfilled, the certification body can issue the ISO 39001 certificate according to its certification process. At URGS International, our role is to support organizations in becoming properly prepared for this process. We help organizations understand requirements, establish practical systems, train personnel, conduct internal audits, identify gaps, and prepare for certification. Now part 9, why choose URGS International? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we understand that every organization is different. A logistic company does not have the same road safety risk as a construction company. A public transportation operator does not have the same operational requirements as an industrial organization. Therefore, our approach is practical and organization is specific. Our ISO 39001 services include consultancy. We help organizations understand ISO 39001 requirements and identify what needs to be established or improved. Implementation support. We assist in developing and implementing the road traffic safety management system. Training. We provide awareness, implementation, internal auditor, and other relevant training programs based on organizational needs. Internal audit support. We help organizations evaluate their system and identify areas requiring corrective action or improvement. Certification support. We support organizations in preparing for the external certification audit. Our objective is to help organizations build a road traffic safety management system that is practical, effective, and aligned with their operational requirements. Now, at last, conclusion and call to action. Road traffic safety is not only a legal or operational responsibility, it is a management responsibility. Every journey represents a potential risk. Every driver, vehicle, route, and operational decision can influence road traffic safety. ISO 39001 provides organizations with a systematic framework to identify these risks, establish controls, monitor performance, and continuously improve. Whether you are a logistic company, fleet operator, transportation provider, construction organization, industrial company, public transportation operator, or any organization with significant road traffic activities, ISO 39001 can help you take a structured approach to road traffic safety management. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide ISO 39001 consultancy, ISO 39001 implementation, ISO 39001 training, ISO 39001 internal audit support, and ISO 39001 certification support. If your organization is planning to implement ISO 39001 or needs support in preparing for certification, contact our team today. For inquiries and professional support, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. take the next step towards a more systematic, proactive, and effective approach to road traffic safety management. Choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your partner for ISO consultancy, implementation, training, and certification support. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more information on ISO standards, management systems, professional training, consultancy, certification support, inspection, and industry-focused solutions. URGS International, building confidence through quality, safety, and compliance.